And we're bringing in Bob for a look at that forecast. And you say a couple more warm days, but then a big cool down coming on in.
Correct. 2 more warm days and then some much cooler temperatures for Saturday. Here's our weather headlines. We're looking at some areas of smoke for today. 2 more warm days. Some showers possible on Saturday, then cooler starting on Saturday all the way through Tuesday. That's our weather headlines. Here's our forecast for BSU at Utah State. Hopefully we can drop Utah State like a sack of potatoes. I'm saying that for our director. He's a big Utah State fan, I think. Anyway, first quarter temperature about 65, half time about 55, quite a bit cooler once that sun goes down. And for the fourth quarter, 50 degrees. If you're not going to see it in person down there in Logan, you can see it on CBS Sports, 7 o'clock Friday, tomorrow. Air quality going to be a bit of an issue. In the unhealthy category, we're looking at some red air quality again today, but it looks a little bit better than yesterday. Still a little bit hazy there in downtown Boise. Right now we have 64 degrees. We have winds east of 3, humidity at 34%, feels like temperature, also our current temperature. Got down into the mid-20s in Stanley this morning, one of their coldest temperatures yet this season. 51 for McCall now after being in the 30s, and Baker City was in the 30s earlier this morning. They're in the 50s along with the Treasure Valley for the most part. For this Thursday, October the 15th, we're forecasting a high of 79 degrees, 13 degrees above normal. The overnight low on the mild side at 50. Here's our weather scenario. Got a low pressure system circulating here in Southern California. Low pressure trough just off the west coast. In between, we have our jet stream rounding the bottom of that low pressure system that continues to develop. Eventually it takes a track to the northeast. Some of this moisture comes up from the southwest. In between, we're looking at some more clouds for Boise, possibly some showers between those two features. Right now, just a smattering of high clouds moving across, but for the most part, cloud-free into Friday. Now Saturday, a little different story. Clouds start to move in the morning hours. Some showers starting off in eastern Oregon and then increasing in coverage by 1:30 in the afternoon. Possibly some showers, maybe even an isolated thunderstorm moving through, just enough instability for that into the early morning hours on Sunday. Here's our tight futurecast view, smattering of high clouds initially, but then clouding up. There's Saturday at 6 a.m. Showers probably in our viewing area by that time, certainly by afternoon time. And then through the evening hours, still the possibility of some showers, maybe even an isolated thunderstorm like up around Baker City up there, maybe even getting real close to Boise. This could be one of those situations where we might see one of those nocturnal thunderstorms overnight, a little bit of a light show. So here is what we're looking at. Sunny and warm for Twin Falls, Sun Valley, sunny and warm. McCall and Cascade, daytime highs in the mid-70s for today, sunny and warm. Some patchy smoke for the western end of the valley. And same thing for Canyon County as well. Again, that's 2 more fairly warm days. Might still have to deal with some smoke, but I think our weather changes coming in for Saturday will vent a lot of the smoke out of the valley. I'm expecting to see some very substantial improvements in visibility by Saturday on into Sunday. Also, much cooler temperatures going from 81 on Friday to 68 on Saturday. Then we're actually just a tad below normal for a change starting on Sunday, Monday, on into Tuesday. That's legal weather.